I want to be a good enough father. Something or someone will have first place in your heart. But when you find your identity in the one who created you, it'll change your whole perspective. What have you allowed to define you? Your identity will be tied to whatever you give your heart to.
Derek and Odette's kingdom is alive with the sound of music.
Every year we celebrate love and light, and what better way than with music?
I'm so lucky to sing at the Swan Princess Music Festival.
What did I tell you? Perfect acoustics. Now let the festival begin. I think it was a little pitchy.
I am Prince Lee.
You are very good.
How can you choose him? I don't understand.
Neither do I.
The Swan Princess. She could show us how to break the sorcerer's spell. This is Chen.
We'll do whatever we can to help you.
Fire breathing or just hot breath?
Fire breathing.
Okay, good. Dragon to human. Someone has to sacrifice something precious.
With amazing musical performances from around the world.
And the winner of this year's festival is...
The Swan Princess, Kingdom of Music.
Morning, Miss Cartwright. Morning, Miss Cartwright. Miss Burns, Mrs. Williams, this is Miss Miles. These ladies will show you the ropes.
Good afternoon, ladies. You must be the new jeune fille. Some help I can use during this season. Who's that?
Magda, one of the Moroccos.
Refugees. Migrants. This came for you.
Oh, Dad will have to sign this. Dad, I need you to sign this form.
Look, I've told you before, no daughter of mine's going to university.
We'll think of something.
Oh, it was all over me. They only want one thing. All of them.
What do you expect? They're gonna kiss your hand and throw their clothes over drawings?
Sorry, what was me?
I always knew that I'd lose you someday.
Oh no, you'll never lose me. I'll stay with you always.
I hope so. But now something more important. Your dad's dinner.
Rudy needs assistance. I wish to find a girlfriend. I want an Australian girl.
An Australian?
Some of them are very beautiful.
The cultivated ones have gone away.
Magda, there is someone.
She's rough. She's no style. Perfect.
He's gonna be at Magda's party. Are you meeting someone?
No, I don't know anyone. I think they'll be continentals. Do you speak English?
Of course. And Hungarian and German. And some French and Russian. A drink?
Look, Mom. Magda gave me this. Enzo's husband made us a lovely lunch.
You made the lunch?
European men like to cook.
I like to drink. I'm off to the pub. See you in a couple of hours.
Magnificent!
You want to be careful. I don't want to see you get hurt. You're a clever girl. It's the most wonderful thing in all creation, you know?
Perhaps you will be a businesswoman. There are worse things. Oh, I should have gone to mass this morning. Too late now.
I'm sure God will understand.
Still don't play Halloween around here.
I don't think this place is giving out candy.
Haunted Halloween.
Did you miss me?
You discovered a walking, talking dummy and you didn't tell me?
Okay, well, he seemed like a really nice guy at the start.
They're moving. So tiny and cute, what can they possibly do? Sonny, they're just gummy bears.
Thank you, Spider-Man.
That was so good. Hey, sorry I'm late. Happy.
You look nice.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. New dress?
Yes, it is. How'd you know?
What just happened?
Planning a trip?
Mm-hmm. Going to Europe. It's a school trip.
Get your passport?
Need a partner to pick up a passport, please?
Get a toothpaste?
Mm-hmm.
Pack your suit.
I just want to go on my trip with my friends. Europe doesn't really need a friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. You look really pretty.
Therefore, I have value.
No, that's not
I'm
right.
messing with you. You look pretty too.
I just want to spend some time with MJ. I think she really likes me, too.
That was really my first love. I had just finished my full copy.
So nice to finally meet you, Spider-Man.
You're Nick Fury.
Put some clothes on. Let's go for a ride.
Is he gonna be okay like that?
Might want to turn him over so he doesn't swallow his tongue.
I think Nick Fury just hijacked our summer vacation.
Awesome! You got gifts, Parker, but you have a job to do. Are you going to step up or not? You're all alone. Your friends are in trouble. What are you going to do about it?
You don't want any part of this.
He's like Iron Man and Thor rolled into one.
He's no Spider-Man.
What is it with you and Spider-Man?
What? He looks out for the neighborhood, has a dope suit, and I really respect him. What's up, buttwad?
Always remember, the universe has a way of leading you to where you're supposed to be at the moment you're supposed to be there.
Let's do this.
It took me 20 years to find you. How many people can say that? You are the best kept secret in the universe. And I found you. Which makes me perfect for this job.
You really think a black suit is going to solve all your problems?
No, but looks damn good on you.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap!
We are a rumor. Recognizable only as deja vu and dismissed just as quickly. Time to prove yourself, Agent M. We may have a problem in London.
Welcome to MIB. You will be with Agent H, one of the best ever to wear this suit.
Catching up on my daily meditation. Time for lunch, I think. Are you hungry?
It's 9:30.
Perfect. Tuesday's taco day.
We've been compromised. It puts every citizen of this planet at risk.
Thank you, there. We could all just drive here.
Just try.
It'll be fun. We'll have fun with it.
There should be a big red button around here somewhere.
Found it.
We are the men in black.